Hi lovers, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So this is the continuation of our last video, the video before this, that I told you that you don't need to throw away your flaxseed fenugreek and chiaseed away. So this is after straining our gel out. So you don't need to throw away all this. So I just transfer it into my blender. So if you do not have a blender, that will be difficult for you to blend this. So I transfer it into my blender. If you did not have blender, I don't know what other things you can use to blend this. So after transfer it into my blender, I add in a little bit of water, not a lot, not much water, so a little bit of water. Then I blend it off camera. So this doesn't look smooth. So make sure you blend it for at least some minutes for it to look like this. This doesn't look smooth. So after blending it and it looks like this, then I'm just going to go ahead and strain it out using my bowl and this cheesecloth. So make sure you strain yours. So I will just go ahead and strain it off camera. So this is what it looks like after straining it out. Make sure you strain yours with a cheesecloth, a stocking, a wig cap, just whatever things that can hold the small particles, and because we don't want that on our hair. So that is my hair growth oil. I already have the video of this hair growth oil on my YouTube channel. It's just a 2 video before this. So I add a little bit of it into my hair mask. So after adding it to it, make sure you stir, make sure you mix everything together. Make sure you mix it together. You can as well as adding any oil of your choice, either olive oil, jojoba oil, castor oil, just any oil of your choice to it. So after mixing the oil together, this is my hair. I just shampooed my hair. So I'm going to apply this hair mask as a deep hair treatment, deep hair mask on my hair. Using hair mask has a lot of benefits for hair by providing deep hydration, making hair stronger and smoother, reduce frizz and damage, increase shine and improve manageability. They penetrate the hair shaft to deliver potent ingredients like natural oils and protein, which repair damage from heat and environmental factor, prevent split head, and even promotes scalp health for healthier hair growth. Hair masks infuse hair with moisture, which is especially beneficial for dry and damaged hair. Nourishing and strengthening the hair make it healthier with enhancing its natural shine. They contain ingredients that strengthen hair, reduce breakage, split head, and overall damage from heat, styling, and environmental stressor. So if you have been skipping hair masks, hair protein, I want to advise you that you should start using it. Start making use of hair masks, hair protein on your hair. Your hair needs it more. Please start using it every wash day. If you do not have all these ingredients, you can as well. There's a lot of hair masks, hair protein on this YouTube, so you can as well as check out for more. So using hair masks is very good. It's very beneficial for your hair. Since I start using hair masks on my hair, I saw a lot of changes. I have a lot of changes. There's a lot of changes on my hair, like no dryness, no breakage, then make it softer. If you have hard hair, your hair is always hard, start using hair masks. You can as well as use some deep conditioner. There's a lot of deep conditioners outside. Just go to where they sell hair products, then ask for deep conditioner. There's a lot of deep conditioner, a lot of companies, a lot of brands. So you can as well as buy it, then start using it. Don't just wash your hair with shampoo, then that's all. No, don't do that. So make sure you deep condition you use hair masks, hair protein on your hair, because it has a lot of benefits on your hair. So after using this, after applying this on my hair, as you can see, I did not comb my hair. You don't need to comb your hair every time. No, you don't comb your hair always. You don't comb your hair every time. So make sure I applied this and I make sure it coated every single part of my hair. And as you can see, I work in session. Working in session will make your hair more easier and manageable to work in with. So this is not a dry hair. My hair is already damped in water. So I also apply on my edges. Your edges is also important. Make sure you apply it on your edges. So after apply it on my edges and the back of my hair, so every single part of, so I make sure I apply it on my hair, every single part of my hair. So after apply it on my hair, I cover my hair with a plastic bag. You can use a shower cap or a heat cap, so for it to penetrate into our hair. So after 30 minutes, I rinse it out, and that is it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Love you guys.